Slash your shopping bill on Temu by unlocking the power of your earned credits. Hey everyone! And today we're diving into one of the smartest ways to shop on Temu, paying with your hard-earned credits. First things first, let's make sure you know where to find your credit balance tab on the Me or Profile icon, usually found at the bottom right of your screen. On your profile page, you'll see a prominent section dedicated to your credits. This is where you can see exactly how much you have available to spend. Now, let's get shopping. Add all the amazing deals you want to your cart as you normally would. Once you've filled your cart with all your desired items, tap on the shopping cart icon to proceed to checkout. Here on the checkout page, you'll see a breakdown of your order. Look for an option that says Apply Coupons or Use Credits. Tap on that option. Temu will then show you how many credits you have available. You can choose to apply your entire credit balance or a specific amount towards your purchase. Simply enter the amount you wish to use or tap Apply All. If you want to use everything you've got, you'll immediately see your order total decrease, showing you how much you've saved. This is the perfect way to maximize your savings, whether you've earned credits from promotions, friend referrals, or other fun activities on the app. So, next time you're browsing Temu, remember to check and apply those credits. Happy shopping and happy saving!